like 60 degrees out. Gotta get these tires a little warmed up. They're really slick. I got work in like an hour and a half, but I'm freaking starving, dude. I gotta get some grub, man. Not 100% sure what I'm gonna get yet. Probably gonna have to give me some coffee too while I'm out, because why not? I forgot my backpack. Dang it. What time is it? Do I have time? I mean, I do. Alright, I'm gonna go back, get my backpack and my hat, because I forgot them both. My backpack has my book that I wanted to read in it, and my camera. So if I see anything beautiful, I gotta shoot it. It's a little chilly out, 60 degrees, man. But I get a ride, so it's worth it. Hey. But we're back in action. Got the backpack, got the hat just in case. Beautiful out right now, man. Look at this. Gorgeous. Dude, stomping that sign. What the heck is this guy doing? It's a lane, not a parking spot, that's for sure. Or pull over here on the side street, man. Like, what are you doing? Oh, you know what? Change my mind. I don't want to get gas. Gotta get that pizza, dude. Lazy Moon, baby. Get inside me. Let's go.
Instincts going no, looking bad like a bat with an eye patch. All black through the woods with a backpack and a lit match. Spark one time, get the whole city looking like a dark shade of orange when I'm burning it down.
Pounded 1.5 slices of this pizza. I couldn't finish the other one, it was too much. But my homie's out at Deeply Coffee, so I'm gonna head over there. Let's freaking go.
What it is, what it do, whole clique getting live on the talk of the town. Lemon City had a mouth and it wouldn't shut up. On a hunt for a crown, when I get it, I'm a burner, cause nobody in the game right now.
Take it easy. Yeah, let's hang soon, man.
It's gonna fly off.
It stays on there.
Can it just be quiet?
No.
Why?
Because that's not awesome.
Like a Prius.
Later. She's not looking. Go. That's how you get out in traffic, dude. Holy crap, this is bumpy as hell. Dang, that thing sounded nasty. Little homie's like, what? It's freaking gorgeous out, dude. It's like 69 degrees. Oh, they're whipping open the side door over here. All right. What the heck? He like threw his bags out at me. What a nut, dude. Crazy people, dude. Leapt at me. Look at that, so dangerous. Oh my goodness, what a menace. Later. The homie. Are the real bikes out here. Stupid lady just staring at her phone. She was nearly matching my speed. We're just staring at her phone. No clue. I think I just went through the red light. What? So did that guy. What? Don't understand. Literally, it's red. And they're just like, okay, we're going. And the other guy was like, oh, me too. All right. That front SUV is a police car. Otherwise, I'd split up there. Orlando police. Later, nerd. Lady nerd. Look at him. Look at him. Dumb. Oh, hello again. Look at that beautiful view, dude. Chill Sunday vibes. Let's go. Demo. It's December. Listening to some lo-fi Christmas music mix right now. It's dope. But you already know Your boy needs some coffee. So I'm gonna head out, go get some food at King Bap, I'm starving, and then grub some coffee over at Lineage. If one can grub a coffee. Had to make up for the lost time. That lady was driving through that intersection at like 3 miles an hour. What the heck? Homie got their shoe up there. It's like 85 out. It's December. Crazy. I did not mean to honk at her. It's hilarious. That's just hilarious. I meant to turn my turn signal off and I hit my horn. I would never honk at somebody. That's funny.
What I need a crown for anyway? I should have a halo the way that I made a penny turn to gold and a penny for your thoughts. I bet a penny for your soul.
Dang, that looks sick over there.
Your whole crew in here. What it do in here? Think I lost my mind. Loose screw in here, then I walk out.
I mean, that person shouldn't have been turning if I was already driving up anywhere. What a good day, dude. It's freaking gorgeous out. Love this weather. Pretty much the new Sensei in a way, how it's just super simple. 5, 6 buttons. Alexa, turn on lights. There's that one. Oh my gosh, so much better. Bruh. What was it? Ground's wet. Must have rained. What the heck? Some ominous looking clouds over here though. Should be Gucci though. Ah, there we go. A couple sprinkles coming down. We're riding right through it though. Right past it. What's up, dudes and lady dudes? We're out here. Gonna grub up, grab some coffee, get a little reading done, go home, edit, all of the things. A recipe for a good day. Let's go. I don't know what I'm really in the mood to eat though. Just kind of going. Damn, these clouds are moving fast. Look at that, it's crazy looking. It's that Florida weather, man. It rolls in and rolls out. It's quick. Looks insane, dude. Home girl. All right, the decision has been made. We're gonna make a left here on Colonial. We're gonna head on down to Black Bean Deli and get ourselves some fabulous Cuban cuisine, dude. Let's go. I'm always suspect of the Mini Coopers, dude. Any moment they could be trying to pull off bank heists. The perfect getaway. I always almost miss Black Bean. Actually, by almost, I mean usually I miss it. Whew. But look, bike parking. I should just park there, but it's kind of in the sidewalk and I want to be a douche. Yeah, I could park right here. Hopefully this guy just doesn't back into me. Woo, so full. Good old Black Bean Deli. It'll do you right, boys. Trying to grab some delicious Cuban cuisine. Hit them up, they'll take care of you. Now I need to go get myself some coffee, and then I need to run by the bank and head home and get to editing. That's not how you do that. That's not how you do that. We have the right of way, so you continue while the light is green. You go forward. Provide enough room for the person to go through if there's nowhere for you to go. You don't just stop in the middle of the road while it's on green. Traffic should be moving forward when you have the right of way. This person just like stopped to let that guy through, and I'm like, what? This will be interesting. We got this Chevy and this Mercedes both like in the middle of the intersection turning left. Bunch of derps. It looks like they're both trying to go in the same lane. I don't even know. Let's see what happens here. Oh my gosh, he cut the Mercedes off and went in front of him instead of staying in his lane. That's crazy. Wow, I don't know. But here we are, amigos. Beautiful Lineage coffee. Wow. Let's go. So ready for this.